have a new Bluetooth control. This is a shutter click Bluetooth control. Camera 360, iOS, Android. And then at the back we have this battery 2032 CR. Lithium battery. We have a switch at the side. We will going to use this Bluetooth shutter click to our cell phone. Let's go to the settings. We're going to connect this to the cell phone. Connection, Bluetooth, and then we're going to turn on this Bluetooth module on, off, on, blinking, and then click this AB shutter 3. AB shutter 3 connected. So it is now connected. So now this is now the main control for our cell phone. Let's go to the camera. Then for the picture, so we're taking the picture. Okay, so we have the picture, second picture, first. About video. For the video, click. So there is now a video, and then click it again. It will turn off using this small button. Also we can use this small button, off, on, off, on, the big button, and then off. So we have this shutter click Bluetooth control for iPhone. Also works on laptop. Let's see again. Press, it will turn on, and press it again, turn off. On, CD video recording, off. That is how to use this shutter click as a on and off switch for the cell phone using a Bluetooth